If you want to pack on 10 to 20 pounds of muscle, but you don't want to mess with injecting yourself or getting pellets or doing creams with testosterone therapy, well, this video is probably for you. This video is also for you if you're a professional bodybuilder or a novice bodybuilder and you're looking for that extra edge to pack on muscle tissue. It might be your secret weapon that your competitors aren't actually doing themselves. You ready for it? Let's dive in. Now, you've probably heard about the incredible muscle building benefits or claims of red light therapy, right? Well, we're going to talk about that today. In this video, you're going to find out if red light therapy can actually help you build muscle tissue, bigger muscles, stronger, better recovery, whether you want to win that upcoming contest or you just want to look better. You know, summer's coming up. We all want to look better with and without our clothes on, right? Now, when I first heard about red light therapy, I just thought this was something that women did in fancy spas and things. But when I started doing even more research on it, I found that there's a lot of different uses. Even neonatal clinics will use red light therapy on babies, and they have been for years. I was really surprised at the multitude of uses and technology. It's used for some amazing fitness benefits as well as overall health benefits. It's been adopted by professional athletes and trainers the world over. You probably heard that red light therapy is being used by UFC fighter Jeremy Stephens, and Ben Greenfield talks about red light therapy all the time and how he's standing and typing and shining it on his balls. They are all using red light therapy to get all of these benefits and increase their recovery. So I started doing a lot of research on my own and unearthing a lot of these different fads with little science to support it. But there was actually an impressive amount of research that I could find that demonstrated the clear benefits and peak performance and muscle recovery that red light therapy has, even from your wound healing and recovering from injuries, just to name a few. Now, you may be asking yourself, how in the hell can red light therapy alone do all of that? Well, every living being requires some degree of cellular activities for living, right? The powerhouse of our cells are mitochondria. Now, mitochondria respond to certain wavelengths of life, which actually boost cellular activity. Now, the ultimate goal of this cellular organ is to produce energy, reduce stress, and even repair the tissue system itself. We know for a fact that muscle tissue contains a higher density of mitochondria in their cells. When light therapy is administered, it actually increases cellular function, provides measurable results, and helps build muscles effectively. When a human body is exposed to near infrared light wavelengths, this essentially penetrates the skin, muscle, and joint tissue. While these cells are absorbing the light wavelength, their function increases greatly. Exposure to light frequents the production of collagen protein, elastin protein, and energy. These proteins help in restoring growth and in anti-aging properties. At the same time, it adds additional energy, and energy enables us to perform at a heightened level. Now, a study has shown that people who received red light therapy after a training session can gain 50% more muscle tissue, yes, 50% more muscle tissue than others who did not receive the red light therapy. Now, another study showed a 12% performance increase boost that could be achieved due to receiving red light therapy. Now, more researchers are looking into this area because it's so exciting, and almost all of them are showing great and positive results. Now, I've got 6 reasons for you why you should consider red light therapy for adding more muscle tissue. Number 1, it increases testosterone and your overall energy. Our body is highly affected by light. When a person is exposed to light, it helps our body regulate metabolism, adrenaline, testosterone, and various other vital functions. But there are places where exposure to natural light could be more problematic, and one may not have the energy or time to seek out the optimum place or time to expose themselves to natural light. In such cases, this is when red light therapy can really assist significantly. Within a short period of time, it can help the user to receive the benefits of natural light within the comfort of your own home. Secondly, it can help reduce body fat. Now, body fat is a real problem with pretty much everybody. We all want to reduce body fat, and people have problems reducing body fat at the same time with adding muscle tissue. Now, Brazilian scientists from the Federal University of Sao Paulo have demonstrated significant positive results in reducing body fat with the help of light therapy. Additionally, the experiment also proved to increase skeletal muscle mass in these subjects that were exposed to light therapy. Thirdly, it can help heal muscle tissue and joints. Aging, repetitive injuries, like we're vehicles, right? We have miles that add up, and we have the same car throughout our entire lives. Muscle fatigue and tissue damage are all something that just happens naturally. This can significantly decrease our ability to exercise efficiently, therefore muscle building as well. But red light therapy can be beneficial for helping solve such conditions. It triggers the body's natural responses and accelerates this process. It also signals cellular growth and slows down the negative aspects of aging. One can expect to gain faster relief from injuries when they are actually exposing themselves to red light therapy. Moreover, symptoms such as arthritis, muscle soreness have also been reduced with red light therapy. Number 4, reduction in muscle recovery time. Less DOMS, man, delayed onset muscle soreness. Muscle fibers take a considerable amount of time to recover after a challenging strength training session and or workout, right? Various nutrients can enhance this recovery process. Additionally, red light therapy seems to be one of the things that can help that and increase this process exponentially. Red light activates the mitochondrial function, remember, powerhouses to our cells, and that enables the body to reach peak condition within the body in a short period of time. Number 5, it can increase muscle strength. Red light therapy provides that energy to the cells, which in turn can help the cells work better and your muscles work better. This can significantly increase the activity and growth of muscle tissue. Also, the production of new cells can get a substantial boost due to this particular therapy. As a result, the muscle density is increasing, which results in strengthening of the actual body, joints, tendons, bones, ligaments, everything else, right? A study conducted by Australian and Brazilian scientists agreed with this particular phenomenon. They decided that red light therapy was productive for reducing fatigue and increasing muscle performance. Number 6, stress relief. We're all very stressed. We need to have that relief, and why not try this out? Red light therapy has been shown to reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can be pretty destructive for our body and our mental health. It promotes the production of antioxidants in our body, which benefits largely in lifting mood and other bodily functions. So that's why we get that red light. This essentially helps a person go on with their life with an exceptional energy boost. A bodybuilder, they're always regulating themselves throughout time. So having red light therapy reduce that oxidative stress can really help with the excess stress that they're putting on their body, right? Let's be honest, no one ever finds that their days are always full of sunshine and rainbows. Red light therapy may not be the thing that makes your day just have the rainbows and unicorns and butterflies, but it can be an effective tool in feeling so much better. Now you may be wondering, is red light therapy safe? Well, there are no known side effects of red light therapy, and at least if used in the short term as directed by most healthcare individuals, this therapy is not toxic and non-invasive. However, if products are misused, such as lots of things in life, perhaps too often past the directions or exceeding how long you should be using it, maybe there could be some things that happen with your eyes or skin or anything like that. So you don't want to excessively do this, so you don't want to damage yourself, right? Too much of a good thing can be bad. Now, where can you find or use red light therapy? Now, on the internet, you can probably find a plethora of devices. If you type in red light devices, there's a bunch of things. There's a bunch of massive companies. Now, there are also spas that have red light therapy that are essentially saunas. Some of them are bigger where you can lay down. Some of them are very small and tight, but generally you're naked, so you're getting that red light, guys, especially to your testicles, which has been shown to increase those testosterone levels. Now, obviously, you don't want this direct red light in your eyes for an extended period of time, so just be careful of that, but you should be fine. And remember, I say this all the time, check with your healthcare provider if there's something or some reason why you shouldn't be going in a sauna, getting excessively hot, or having red light therapy. Check with them ahead of time. So what else do you need to know about red light therapy? There are a lot of other variables when thinking about actually implementing a protocol of red light therapy yourself. Is red light therapy covered by my health insurance? Red light therapy is typically not covered by health insurance. You may want to call your health insurance provider. Maybe it actually can be. How many treatments will I need? Well, you'll likely be needing to use this for ongoing treatments. Certain devices have different protocols, but generally you want to use this for a consistent amount of time. Sometimes maybe you want to cycle on and cycle off, doing so much as like going into a regular dry sauna as well, because you don't want your body to adapt to things so much. Like we want to provide these different stressors, right, or hormesis to our body so it keeps adapting and changing. Will I achieve desired results? Everybody is different, but the results, the studies that are coming out, a lot of people feel amazing from actually having red light therapy done on a consistent basis. And do you trust the person that's administering the red light therapy? Go to a reputable spa or healthcare provider that has red light therapy, and you can trust, and then you can trust in them as well, so you feel so much better. Now, it's clear from the research, anecdotal evidence, everybody that I've heard that has done red light therapy myself, red light is very beneficial for your average individual, average health, and even bodybuilders alike. So how much red light therapy should you do? I mean, even studies showing 5 to 10 minutes of red light therapy at a time can give you just an advantage of your overall health, muscle tissue, testosterone support, feeling so much better, oxidative stress. There's so many things that red light therapy can help with. So go ahead and try it out yourself and let me know how you're feeling, if it's something new or you've been doing this on your own, in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to check out my salt video. It's very popular, how you can use salt to increase your performance. Now, if you've already watched that salt video, maybe check out my BPC 157 video about peptides. Peptides might be the holy grail of aging and muscle tissue building and body fat reduction. It's pretty interesting. If you want more content, please subscribe to my channel, share this, hit the bell, comment on things, follow me on all other social channels at Joey Thurman Fit. Thank you so much for being here. If you want to work with me online, go to joeythurman.com, one-on-one coaching. Cheers and be well.